आशा, प्रधानमंत्री अन्नदाता आय संरक्षण अभियान. It is by my Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. What is the goal? To ensure minimum support price to farmers. Now, what does Sanrakshan means? Sanrakshan means protection. Who am I protecting? Birju. Who is Birju? My farmer who labored the entire year, but when it came to selling his product, he could not sell it on MSP. He had to sell it below MSP, and now he is suffering. So what is government saying? Beta, don't worry, I have three options for you. Which is my first option? My first option is Price Support Scheme, or the PSS. What am I going to do? I'll tell my two agencies. What are my two agencies? NAFED and FCI. I'll tell my agencies that go purchase pulses, oilseeds, copra. Again, what three? Pulses, oilseeds, copra, these three products from the farmer, and in return give him the MSP price. Now what is happening here is, this is done by my central government and the physical procurement is being done by FCI and NAFED. Again, only for these three crops. Coming to my second mechanism is my PDPS system, in which Price Deficiency Payment Scheme. The oil seeds are procured by recognized mandis. Now these mandis are not going to give the MSP to the farmer. No, they are going to give him the selling price, that is the market price in that area. These mandis are recognized by my central government. Again, this is all central government related. My center recognizes this mandis. These mandis, they take the produce from my farmer, and the gap is MSP minus the selling price. That gap is directly transferred to the farmer's account by my central government. Again, this is only for the oil seeds. The second scheme is also only for the oil schemes. The first one was pulses, oil seeds and copra, in which I was giving MSP. Who was giving MSP? FCI and NAFED. Here the difference is being paid by my government. No physical procurement is taking place. In the first scheme, the physical procurement was taking place. Alright. Coming to my third mechanism is my triple PS, or the pilot of private procurement and stockist scheme, something which is in question now. So what am I doing? I'm picking selected private agencies. These are recognized agencies. They will be purchasing again what? Oil seeds from the farmer, and in return they will give the MSP. But you have to understand, these are private players and they are giving farmer more money than the market or the prevailing price. So the gap, who is going to compensate the gap? It is the union government, but there's a catch. You're not giving the difference as you were doing in the previous scheme. You are rather paying them 15% of the MSP as the service charge which government is giving to this private agency. So this private agency shall charge 15% of MSP from the government, and the government shall give it to the agency. The agency will give farmer the MSP price and purchase oil seeds from him or her. Here physical procurement is taking place, but the physical procurement is not taking place by my central government or any other government. It is by a private entity. Alright. So in first scheme, my FCI and NAFED was doing the physical procurement for pulses, oilseed, copra, giving the farmer the MSP. Fine. In my second scheme, I was doing procurement of oil seeds. Who was doing it? Recognized mandis, and they were giving the farmer the selling price, and the gap between the MSP and the selling price was directly transferred to my farmer's account. By whom? By the central government. In my third scheme, I have involved a private player. In my triple PS scheme, in my private player scheme, I am purchasing oil seeds. In all the three schemes, one is common, that is my oil seeds. I am purchasing oil seeds from the farmer, giving that farmer the MSP, and the government will compensate the loss in the form of 15% of MSP in the service charge. Now here there is no surety that you will recover. Sometimes it can be more also, it can be less also, but this criteria is fixed. So this was about your MSP and the other three options which government is giving in case the farmer is not able to sell his or her produce at the MSP price.